Geek. In this video, process of creating your own YouTube channel. Whether you're a content creator, a business owner, or simply passionate about sharing your knowledge, having a YouTube channel is a fantastic way to connect with a global audience. So, let us get started. Step 1. Setting up your account. So the first step is to set up your YouTube account. Open up your web browser and go to youtube.com. Once you're on the YouTube homepage, click on. Once you're on the YouTube homepage, click on the Sign In button in the upper right corner. If you already have a Google account, you can sign in with that. If not, click on Create Account and follow the steps to create a new Google account.